Hi guys, welcome back, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into a Solana-based decentralized GPU network that I believe could be a top AI and DePIN project in this bull run. This project is called ionet. I will cover ionet's tokenomics, explain how I think this project stands out from its competitors in the GPU space, the future outlook, and also whether I think 50x for ionet is possible in this bull run. And as always, the information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About ionet. Ionet is a Solana-based decentralized GPU network that has been designed to power artificial intelligence and machine learning applications and has partnerships with other big AI companies in the space, including Render Network and Filecoin. Self-proclaimed as the internet of GPUs, they state they are significantly faster and cheaper than any other competitors in the market, going as far as to say they are 90% cheaper than their competition. What I think makes ionet stand out from its competitors is its GPU clusters and being the first cloud service provider to support Apple Silicon chip clustering for machine learning applications. This enables engineers to cluster Apple chips for machine learning and AI computing anywhere in the world. But what are GPU clusters? GPU clusters are best described as a group of computers that are connected to work together on high-performance tasks, such as machine learning algorithms, and each node in the cluster has one or more graphics processing units, or GPUs, that can speed up training complex machine learning tasks from weeks to just hours, which is what makes it so powerful. Launched in November 2023, the ionet team have a wealth of experience with backgrounds ranging from engineering, finance and technology, and have early backing from a number of angel investors that include Solana Labs founder, Aptos blockchain founders, and well-respected Web3 investor Animoca Brands. Ionet offers three main components to the network, including IO Cloud, which is a platform that allows users to deploy and manage on-demand GPU clusters, IO Worker, a web app for managing GPU node operations, and IO Explorer, that offers real-time detailed statistics and insights into every aspect of the ionet network. IO Supply and Tokenomics. Ionet was launched with a total max supply of 800 million tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 120 million tokens, meaning 15% of the token supply is currently in circulation. It should be noted that 500 million tokens were available on launch, with the remaining 300 million tokens being distributed as hourly rewards to suppliers and stakers over a period of the next 20 years. As we can see from the attached emissions rate schedule, the earning rewards are distributed hourly for 20 years as a deflationary model, starting at around 7% in the first year and decreasing annually until it reaches the 800 million cap. IO is a native digital token of the ionet ecosystem and serves multiple functions, including allowing users to pay for GPU resources on the network, rewarding the GPU owners who contribute computing resources to the network, and also for staking, to allow participants to stake their IO tokens, which helps secure the network and allows stakers to earn rewards in the process. If we take a look at the market cap currently, which is 207 million, and compare it to the fully diluted market cap, which is what it would be if all tokens were in circulation, the diluted market cap is 1.3 billion. This could be seen for many as a red flag for investors due to the risk of dilution over time, but we need to see exactly when any token unlocks will take place. As for example, my strategy will be to hold altcoins up until around the bull market top, then sell them, and I am estimating the bull market top to be anywhere from May to October 2025. So taking these dates into account, I can check the vesting schedule to see if any token unlocks are due to happen within these dates, as any unlocks after October 2025 will really not matter personally based on my strategy. So looking at the vesting schedule, it shows the Team Series A and seed investors have a year cliff, which basically means they can't sell any of their tokens for a year. So based on my strategy of selling all my altcoins around the bull market top in 2025, I don't see any major concerns within this timeline. However, if you're looking to hold ionet tokens after the bull market for longer term, it could be cause for concern because of possible selling pressure. So I recommend further research based on your own investment strategy. The initial token distribution of IO is as follows. 50% is allocated to community, 12.5% is allocated to early backers seeds, 10.2% is allocated to early backers Series A, 11.3% is allocated to initial core contributors, and 60% is allocated to R&D ecosystem. It is also important to know that ionet has a burn mechanism where revenues generated by ionet from the IOG network are used to purchase and burn tokens from circulation, with the whole process being dynamic, meaning the amount of tokens burned adjusts based on the token price. What makes the burn mechanism important is it helps to manage inflation over time and creates deflationary pressure, which should help to increase the price for investors over time. IO revenue model. ionet has a revenue generation model, primarily through charging fees to users and suppliers within the IOG network ecosystem. The fees include reservation fees and payment fees, which can vary on the payment method used by the users, GPU renters, and suppliers, GPU owners. Firstly, looking at the user fees, users are charged a 0.25% reservation fee on the total cost to reserve compute power. And when it comes to payment fees, if paying in USDC, a 2% fee is charged, but if payments are made in their own IO tokens, no fee is charged. Next, looking at the supplier fees, suppliers are charged the same as users at 0.25% fee on the total cost to reserve their nodes. And once again, when it comes to payment fees, suppliers incur a 2% fee for payments made in USDC, or if paying in IO tokens, no fee is charged. ionet offer three main ways to earn IO tokens on the network. These include supplying GPU or CPU hardware, and the great thing about this is you can earn hourly rewards just for keeping your hardware available on the network, even if it's idle. The second way to earn rewards is by getting hired by users and earn hourly higher fees for hardware's computational power. And the third way to earn IO tokens is through staking your tokens, allowing you to earn hourly staking rewards while helping to secure the network as well. ionet products. ionet offers a number of great products which include IO Cloud. This is a platform that allows users to deploy and manage on-demand GPU clusters, and the ionet website states it has been designed with a robust level of security, complete user control, and ease of use. The dashboard, as we can see, shows how easy it is to deploy a decentralized cluster, with the ionet team stating that the portal delivers real-time updates. And next we have IO Worker, a web app for managing GPU node operations. This allows suppliers who are providing computing power to see everything from real-time earnings and financial metrics, offering them complete financial transparency. The IO Explorer is the product feature I particularly like, as it offers real-time detailed statistics and insights into every aspect of the ionet network. For example, as we can see on the IO Explorer homepage, it shows the number of verified GPUs and CPUs currently available. And if we click on Network Map, we can see a detailed map of all the GPUs and CPUs available worldwide. Also, if I click on Clusters, it shows an overview of the total network earnings and even daily earnings, which shows a high level of transparency other competitors don't offer, which I really like. Key points of ionet. ionet has many benefits that make it a great platform, including very lower cost. ionet dramatically lowers the cost of accessing high-powered computing resources compared to its competitors, which makes it more accessible for advanced AI and machine learning projects. Full transparency. The IO Explorer provides detailed insights and control over computing resources for both efficiency and transparency. Big AI partners. ionet has partnered with some established companies in the space, including Filecoin and Render, who have dedicated their excess capacity to the network. Listed on centralized exchanges. ionet is available on a number of big centralized exchanges, including Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin, so it makes it easier for investors to buy the token, unlike some similar projects which are only available on decentralized exchanges. ionet future outlook. I believe ionet delivers a significantly cheaper pricing model than its competitors in the GPU resources computing space, while also standing out with its GPU clusters technology, and also being the first cloud provider to support Apple Silicon chip clustering for machine learning applications. To answer the question of whether this product has 50x potential, I think it's very possible, given a number of factors, including its very low cost pricing and the fact it is already available on most of the centralized exchanges, thus making it easier for retail investors to buy. However, I think it has to be said it will also depend on how the AI and DePIN narrative plays out in the rest of this bull market. But if it continues to gain traction as it has done today, it stands a good chance in my opinion. It should also be said though, ionet does have a low market cap currently, which brings with it very high risk for investors, when compared to say a more established company like Render, who have a market cap around 1.8 billion, so something to be aware of before considering investing. So with all this said, I do think ionet offers something unique to the AI and DePIN market with its product features and cheaper pricing model. And with the hardware spend market driven by the AI sector expected to hit 1.7 trillion by 2030, I look forward to seeing how ionet can continue to grow over the next few years as the demand for its technology is clearly needed. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.